saw that it began to drop.
Me say a take off from pa.
I saw that it was dropping speedily.
Ahoɔden a ɔmo de ba.
The strength, the force,
the power
into which they came into power, I saw that it had dropped. That was what I saw.
Now, happy.
Now, when I saw it, I was not happy. Now, it's as if you have forgotten about your first love. Remember your first love.
Me say NDC, spiritual realms, more energy, more strength, more power, and trouble. Spiritually,
I saw that NDC as a party, your energy in the spiritual realm had dropped. And the Lord spoke to me and said, to declare this word for the nation to hear it.
NDC
members of NDC, listen here. Those in power, listen. The spirit that was backing you has dropped. The force and the power, the energy that pushed you into government, into power, has dropped significantly. And you are dropping. And so,
2 terms.
If you want to rule for 2 consecutive terms, then you must step up yourself, or else
after Omanpenny John Dramani Mahama NDC
or else if you don't do so, after the tenure of His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, you will lose power.
2028
if you are not careful, whatever God has given to you, you cannot continue past 2028. I am addressing you as a prophet of God.
Political party be 2 terms.
Now,
8 years.
People think that there is a pattern where political parties usually exhaust 2 consecutive terms. Now, if NDC trust in this belief that all parties exhaust 2 consecutive terms before the change,
only 1 term,
you will be disappointed. If you are not careful, you will only last for 1
because
term. Because the scale I saw, the power that brought you into power, the force and energy that brought you into power, started to drop. Now, why is it dropping? Do something about it. Now you can mark today's date. Today is 28th of September 2025. If the members and leaders of NDC do not hear this message and they do not take the steps required of them to take, a time will come that they will refer to today's message.
So many times God
has used me to declare words like this to people.
Taking me serious.
And some people did not take me seriously. Some people even insulted me. Some
people opposition. And no say di matem.
NPP so far so bia na mo yi wo mo boni ayeye o mo abro. Hey, we be say ye nkumu ba mo ho po be po no. Say na oti akra obanya dey wo kumase. De bia on komra. Afa na mo be ka che say na me ba no me behind that man of 14 years oni onti anyande. Aha sa ni ti anyande e na metena ho say bu ni say me da.
No, a friend is a me pass. When I adwom boni na adwom Mahama or one say nipa boni ni na adwene no won dwene nipa.
Mame che say ubu koto kwase anyame hwe woto media enyeme bu abujo ma me ne ya adwen pa say the minister kwase afo no muni mu hwe ko kan say u pe school papa ma oba eno no fa extra teacher teacher man nya classes ma oba omo kase wi asa no madwene nipa no aye ni day no Until akwa no behind diamond you Kumasi hana. I heard no be teacher ni na mana ye extra classes ana asasai. Who be a chat and so Yami nature and the microphone we him a Nanado ni NPP for Boni Iron. Yami nature of Kamalenda. Yamina Kobo Yami to me Nebuchadnezzar also to me Prim Nakoma, Mebuana. At times a name maybe or ma.
Yes, a mansion in network.
Which ya was Biana, mammy, no more. Nanado ni NPP abino. Or more so that NPP ni NDC in them. No more Casa did the second no more margin. NPP, you want to say that about no one NPP for Jimmy. And you know, NPP Nanado may share. And to me, NPP for them say NDC ra. Nayansha or your bed pampao, and you obey your bonny. And they send this year, Mushege, Amido, sister. I am with the papa, no one who says yes. Or no, my man also on pay education, additional Nana Samu. It's a day here this will on fun. But when me at me, Chirian and another Chiriamo, a main keka, tuna fronanka, yet a sabu chiri. Nina must say that. Nina must say that they say any more day. Kennedy need your own baby no. Say so when you know we had this for Miss Mikasagu. Who say a ina so red, me I mean who say make us say I want to make
yeah, two capa.
Okay, it is a say okay, it is a say Kennedy in a year. Kennedy in a year, so far as I'm a register NDC. Any one will be more the fast so Nyankopon ene Nyankopon bambo nti yeso ye de befa fom mo de fa fom ye de befa wiem enti mungina yo na de moto upo biam Kennedy wabo bia boni a wo ye NDC for no kono mo ntwe aso efisa wo ye de NPP ba na wa be ye wo mobo e be ye wusu se osoro be yu na asase so ayu NPP for you say you so ye NDC na NPP for ye baba power na be ko NDC for ni power no mbesa pam waso be ye she rough na mo de mo mpaye nyame ye yadom na Yesu enkuye na wansan ma 31st January minim say to ahini esi an for modi moni ehu bi modi maso atibi na mo akasa mo wide mu nso atibi etiminim so be kwa koto abapa eyi Dr. Haji Mahmoud Bawumia she Kennedy she boni na wo ye no boni na beba wa usuo se ya brew de obeka bia wa ka esi onkrofo no so munni tactics bia biem ewiase nyina hu o ma tro se wani maguase mo fere edi biem na mo beka edi ebiem na mo be pacho mo be pacho ma chopa no ma chopa
kakra ma ye wan ye drop mo type so kakra ma ye yesrem o ase wa type scream ni so fansa bo
okay
kakra
ya hu se e ya homaso a chopa na oyere no de baaye ye ntie mo ye nim ho time se ye campaign na Amalaji Mahmoud Bawumia obu o se ton candidate ne ye ton na mo aso munim de waye ene de obetimi aye Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia onja nanum onya hantan ondidi atem obu obia enyama panyi na so firi ni nsa no na baaye enti ye se ye pamocho se ye ya ne legacy ni nyama papa one nanado be ye nanu na se NDC fo no omugina so a omahura sisu kinkun a omudidi so ne omude bo mo asafo hene wunim se ni nyina ye duaboma mo NDC fo munim se ye duaboma mo ho ensemboni amkafa ne ma papa nyina ho na nnai sa ne ma papa ne na efidi mo ni mabusuafo sa ne ma papa ne na epepa mo ni mani muguase a ene aso tafo se hwan MPP for ye na mo ne ayi MPP for mo ne wo mo ko ho ade wo se mo ni magu ase ade na mo se yenye na de munjai ye njai na mo mfa mo ho asafo hene nkasa mo na mo ye no mo ni bibi ya mo policy be na mo ni mu ya mo de ba ye MPP for there ye na mako ho e na sa Kennedy no sususuro se boni a waye mu nti no ene de ode no ho ba be don mo so onim se NDC na mo nim guase siaba ene abrochirefo apom ene nwam na mpom NDC fo obia apom amanyankopon so apom enti na de mu be bia enyeye no na mo de obi be se mo ntwan na mu behu ye nka ehunu na mo na mre no so a mo am bone no ebetwia mo am so ka na eduru ho no ma ye mpese obia
okay anti apoma ye da se network in adu
se oman no ye ko enim na economy no ye better we are expecting to say the life of the citizens, no, better. That is the essence of saying, say, the government is doing well, things are getting better. Now, say, oh, or mind be more. Now, government, now, buy no catch or they say, oh, we are doing well, things are getting better, exchange rate, and all those back and forth. But one kasa our citizen, no. You look at your life, you look at your income, you look at your expenditure, and you cannot per se pinpoint say, indeed, your life is becoming better. Then we have a big problem on our hands. We have a big problem on our hands. If the only people who can testify say the country is getting better are the politicians who are in power, and you and I who are citizens, we cannot feel any effect. Say see the nucleus rules, say we can't see, you can't feel any effect. Ebusianfo, and there's wahala. But men are saying there's a serious wahala. Now, Ebusianfo, this is where we are getting to, or we have gotten to now under this John Dramani Mahama-led government. Under this John Dramani Mahama-led government, Ebusianfo, I can tell you, say, the price, food has become very, very, very expensive. Biane. Food has become very, very expensive under John Dramani Mahama. Ebusianfo, last year, honum, December last year. Ukoto wachia. Ukoto wachia. 25 cities. You are good. Last year. Ukoto wachia 25 cities. Ukoto wachia. I used to buy wachia 8 cities. Ghana Jollof says that. So it's only about Menapo you saw, right? And then Ghana Jollof only me was semana. I said, "Oh, Angelo, thanks for liking." Okay, last year December, Ukoto watch here, 8 cities, Gary 1 city, spaghetti 1 city, egg, now 3 cities. So with 25 cities, you should be able to get food and eat. Ebusianfo, say there, I have stopped eating wache. Yeah, right now they're watching Mindibio. Because our whole Volta region, to eat wache now, you need 40 Ghana cedis under John Mahama. So bedi wache or John Mahama by way, mua, 40 Ghana cedis. If you don't have 40 Ghana cedis, forget about it. And see, Ebisa who say, how many people will be able to afford watching 40 Ghana cedis? Just say, Uko Jumemuna, you want to buy watching 5 times in a week. 40 times 5, 200. And see, every week, be 200 cedis. Watch breakfast, no, because Ghana had a breakfast. Meanwhile, no, our minimum daily minimum wage, is standing at 19 cedis. She said, Juma Biano will income the list. And there are people who are taking that, just that list, that 19 cedis a day. That is the list they are taking. So you are taking 19 cedis a day as your minimum daily minimum wage. Now watch out person who didn't cramp on watching the 40 Ghana cedis and a John Mahama by way. And it's last year you thought watching 25 cedis now it midi. Now a big cracker. Now 8 months, 9 months in power. John Mahama. They say watching the 40 cedis now better than Obedia. Atana san Obemia. You don't come and tell me say things are getting better. Nothing is getting better. Nothing absolutely is getting better. Say gobe ankrofo. say the only scacra we hustler say then cry there. At least last year, 10 cedis you can buy gobe and buy at least some 2 or 3 cocoa on it. Last, hoha mi me koto gobe. When I mentioned that, oh, mpe gobe no 10 cedis now. Let's add some 2 plantains to it. The lady was watching me some way. And I'm saying, well, add or say plantain baku no, cocoa baku toto gobe no, cocoa baku no 2 cedis. Gobe no. Cocoa baku bia plantain, the small one that they cut no, baku bia eye. Baku bia eye 2 cedis. Plantain no. Plantain no. I will go no, but could be a 2 cedis. Now, go benusuno, go benianguano. Now, they don't fetch less than 8 cedis. Don't fetch less than 8 cedis. So, go beno. Say, when you go and buy gobe and they are giving you Gary, Ghana Jollof says that Ghana is hard, oh. He said, "Koto gobe na ye ma ogari kra na gobe ra na ne bufu." I say, "Onya kranka gari no, she will count it one by one and count it for you." Say, cook, you see, ewa kra there, friend is saying, planting here 5 cedis. Big Sam says things are not getting any better. Frankly speaking, the cost of food to say there. And he said, yeah, me say things are getting better. Me do I mean say because the basic thing I had Driani is going up and up and up and up. Say ho ha aha. Thank you for people who are confirming the comment section. Miss Saba says that they say a plantain 3 for 10 cedis. Ukoto gobeno. Cocoa also no 3 for 10 cedis. Hey. And you say gobe has become a luxury. Gobe no say I luxury. Gobe hustlers for ye biane no. They say I luxury because crack 20 cedis I want to me the gobe. And that is even whole Volta region. Real Caliber says things are now getting worse. Watch it, 40 Ghana cedis. Only 40 Ghana cedis. I forget about it. Last week I said, watch it. Me see, watch it 12 cedis. My minister there be, we start from 15. So we say, hey, watch it no. Now, they say they are moving from 15 Ghana cedis. They say, Radibuame. Gary, yento Gary 1 cedi bi. Unko to watch it. Usu pe Gary 1 cedi. Yento Gary 1 cedi. They say you're from 3 Ghana cedis. Gary no. Gary ayedi angwano. Misi keke no. They say 3 cedis. Gary no 3 cedis. Now sa 3 cedis u krampo no. You can count the Gary. You can count it. So things are just. I mean. I always maintain, they said, I say, they have left the country on autopilot mode. To the extent, say, Bushanfo, and now AYɛka, Ghana is importing carrot. Now we are importing carrot. Ghana is now importing carrot. Under John Dramani Mahama. And do you know where we are importing the carrots from? We are importing carrots from Morocco. When Akufo-Addo came and we started doing planting for food and jobs, we had all manner of things. Hey, I say lead yourself is 25 cities old. Hey, and I said post-pay conform to me Tobium. Hey, same big granny. And the post-pay also say 25 cities. Hey, I say when then say we there. Say we there say boy so mundi bio. That's just by the way. But Ebushanfo is sad. It is sad. So we are now importing carrots from Morocco. And we know, if you know a little bit of geography, you say West Africa, who call through more of a desert, the Saharan desert. And if a country, should be importing those things, vegetables, from another, it should be Morocco importing from Ghana, not Ghana importing carrots from Morocco. And it's all because we have a government that does not have any plan whatsoever. This NDC government, they have no plan. And it looks as though last year, campaigning now win election. So they were campaigning to lose. So all they were preparing for was how to cause chaos, trouble after the election. Because now more say election on berry. NDC for no. So when it comes to chaos, they prepared well for it. But as to how to govern the country, they did not prepare for that one. They did not prepare for it. NDC4 did not prepare for how to rule or govern this nation. They did not prepare. They didn't. And it's quite some way. Obapa says that carrots from Morocco, NDC, why? Yeah. That is it. We are